We are now in the jungle, and this is the Baofeng UV5R with extra longer life batteries, and it's connected to the PVC antenna. And this is actually the Slim Jim antenna designed by DU1 Alpha November Victory from PARA, Philippine Amateur Radio Association, the official radio group of Radio Ham Group of the Philippines, no? So, eto lang, tingnan nyo. Carry anywhere. Just tape it along anywhere. Anong position dyan? Tsaka itwine mo lang dito sa Tarzan vine. And there you have it. No? It's a very strong antenna. High gain. And yung radiation pattern niya is 3 degrees compared to the 4J, which is 20 degrees sa horizon. So this gives us a very nice reception. Carry everywhere sa rescue, sa forest, kahit saan. So very nice. We actually have a good feedback from the Philippine Coast Guard. So they have seen this design and worked well with the Sambuanguita to Apo activity. So it's an island, Apo. And then maganda yung feedback. So we can hear each other from here. Kaso lang yung mga fishermen they were surprised why they can't hear each other, pero sa atin marinig tayo.